Probably right now we are, I would say, over 100 hours in the project right now. Every project is different. Every car is a little different. The concept is the same. It's to win the race. This project, a lot of new genuine parts we're gonna be using. Engine is already disassembled as well to do some modifications in the engine case so I can fit the larger cylinders in there. And because we want to do some performance upgrades, I will start assembling and working on suspension. You know, there is easy 40 hours in the interior just to remove door panels, seats, taking all the vinyl out. The challenge on this build is more to have a vision, to go and follow it.